How much is a Philips TV remote? Philips TV remotes come in different types, including standard infrared IR remotes, universal remotes, and smart remotes with advanced features. The price of a Philips TV remote depends on the model, compatibility, and additional functionalities. 1. Price range of Philips TV remotes. The cost of a Philips TV remote varies based on the type. Basic IR remotes, typically priced between $10 to $20. Universal remotes cost around $15 to $35, depending on the number of supported devices. Smart remotes with voice control usually range from $25 to $50. Replacement original remotes priced between $15 to $40, depending on the TV model. Second, types of Philips TV remotes. Philips offers different types of remotes: standard IR remotes, basic remotes that control only Philips TVs, universal remotes, designed to work with multiple devices such as Blu-ray players and sound systems. Smart remotes, advanced remotes with features like Bluetooth connectivity, voice control, and backlit buttons. 3. Factors that affect the price. Several factors influence the cost of a Philips TV remote, including compatibility. Universal remotes usually cost more due to their ability to control multiple devices. Smart features, remotes with voice control and programmable buttons have higher prices. Brand and retailer. Prices may vary depending on where the remote is purchased and whether it is an original Philips remote or a third-party alternative. 4. Where to buy a Philips TV remote. Philips TV remotes are available at electronics stores, online marketplaces, and home appliance retailers. Prices can differ based on promotions, stock availability, and warranty options. 5. Best time to buy for maximum savings. To save money on a Philips TV remote, consider buying during discount events, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and holiday sales. Clearance sales, when older remote models are being phased out. Bundle deals. Some retailers offer discounts when purchasing a remote with a Philips TV or other accessories. Philips TV remotes come in a variety of options, with prices ranging from budget-friendly basic remotes to advanced smart remotes. By choosing the right remote based on features and compatibility, buyers can find the best option for their Philips TV at an affordable price.